हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन अ विलेज फेयर। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। Every year a fair is held near our village. Last year I had invited some of my friends from city to see this fair. On our way to the fair, we noticed the people going to the fair. They were wearing gaudy clothes. They were moving towards the side of the fair in groups. Young men were carrying their children on their shoulders. They were singing folk songs and making great fun on their way. When we reached the fair, we saw many things there. First of all, there was a bazaar. Many stalls had sprung up there. There were toy sellers and sweet meat sellers. Every child was forcing his parents to buy toys. The shops of sweet meat had also a special charm for the children. Pakoras were being sold in large quantity. They were fresh and spiky. The young girls were buying artificial jewelry. The shopkeepers had decorated their shops to attract the customers. As we moved further, we saw a merry-go-round. On this merry-go-round, many boys and girls, men and women were having joy rides. There was a great rush of people there. Dog bear fight was another unforgettable feature of the fair. There was a strange fight in which the bear was tied to a wooden post and dogs were let loose to take it. As evening fell, the fair came to an end. We enjoyed this delightful fair to our heart content. तो दोस्तों, ये था विलेज फेयर ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।